Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I am going to talk to you about these pants right here. And yeah, this is my latest Minerva make, so let's get started. So first of all, let me welcome you back to the channel. If you're returning, if you are new here, then hi, my name is Denise and this is my YouTube channel here at Sewlimitless. So if you're not aware, I am a Minerva maker. So I am gifted fabric from Minerva.com, and I choose the fabric, and this is what I chose. It just said fall to me. So what I did with this fabric, it is a gorgeous viscose challis fabric. It has great movement and it's very comfortable to wear. So they have an exclusive line of fabrics, these viscose challis, different prints and all. I had the opportunity to get some, so this is the one that I chose. The pattern that I used is out of print. This is the one that I used. It's Butterick 3460. It is from 2002. This is the view that I made here. It's view E, and I wanted something sort of a palazzo pant kind of a look, and that is what I did here. Now I just have this pinned up here, but this fabric is perfect for any type of a flowy type of dress or palazzo type pants, something like that. This is a woven fabric. There is no stretch in the fabric. Okay, now I did not notice. I did wash and dry the fabric before I used it, as I always do. I always pre-treat my fabrics regardless of what it is. I did not notice any shrinkage in the fabric when I was done with the washing and drying. It washed beautifully and dried beautifully. There were virtually no wrinkles, which sometimes I've washed a challis type of fabric and it comes out wrinkled where you really have to iron it. I did not have to do anything. I just kind of smoothed it out, and it was gorgeous. So this fabric is fantastic, and as I said, Minerva has an exclusive line of these viscose challis, all different kinds of prints. This one was very easy to sew. Now, one thing I did notice, it does fray a bit, so for me personally, I just use the serger to finish off those seams so that it wouldn't fray the next time I wash it and all. That was just something easy for me to do. This pattern, it just has an elastic waist, and the tie here is actually, it's not, it doesn't go through the waistline, it's actually just tacked on. This is a look as far as the pants and the fabric. I think you can kind of dress it up, you know, with some heels and all, or make it a very casual look with sneakers and sandals like I wore with mine. You could wear it with a shacket. You can wear it all kinds of ways. So something like this is just really, really nice to have. Very comfortable. It's got pockets, inseam pockets on the sides. I do have enough fabric left over from making this where I would like to make a shirt. I think with some of the remaining fabric that I have, I would like to make a shirt, something like this, like an oversized kind of a shirt. Not necessarily to wear with this, because to me that's a little too matchy. That's just not my style. But I would like to make a shirt because I think the colors and the pattern would be great with either black pants or a black skirt. You could do the army green, the tan. It's got a lot of options in it. So eventually, hopefully, I will get to make something like this. That pattern there, that's McCall's 6613. Just, you know, a shirt to wear. But yeah, this fabric is fantastic. Like I said, washes and dries great. I used a size 9 needle. Then I did change to a size 12 needle. Feel like that was fine. change to that, and I just used my regular serger thread and it worked out great. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments about the fabric or the pattern that I used, just leave the comments down below. I love hearing from you all, and I do appreciate all of you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up before you leave, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next time that I upload a new video. And I thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.